Good morning, everyone. I'm your host, Mr. Dharmendra Avasthi from Cadmatic Technical Team. So once again I welcome everyone from different time zone all across the world. So today's session is focused on distributed work from different location, and it's a very interesting topic as we are in a situation where most of them are working from home from different location. So this is the start of our webinar series. Like the first topic which we have taken is the concept is co-designer, where you will come to learn and you will understand how a work is distributed and remotely shared at global and at local level. So you must have seen all these key benefits in your registration form, in the invitation sent to you by our team. So all these are the key benefits. So we will be having upcoming, even the next week, we will be having some webinar, and this is how we are going to start a webinar series from Cadmatic. So today's focus will be on co-designer, which is help us to do a distributed work. So for today's session, I'd like to introduce our presenter, Mr. Subramaniam Manikam. He is having 13 years of experience in nuclear industry, oil and gas industry, and on Cadmatic software, and he's with Cadmatic. Then we have the next presenter, Mr. Mohsin Khan Pathan, who is also having 12 years of experience in nuclear industry on Cadmatic software. I have to just give you a short about the schedule. So we have a schedule like from 11:30 to maybe 5 or 10 minutes. There will be a company introduction, webinar agenda discussed, and will be presented by Mr. Mohsin Khan. There will be a live demonstration about this distributed work concept by Mr. Subramaniam. Then at 12 p.m. we'll start a question answer session. So to begin with, I'd like to just present you some general information about the webinar. So during the session, all attendees will be mute. This webinar will be recorded, and we will be sharing this webinar link to watch again in a follow-up emails. You can type your question during the webinar. We will reply you if it's in a short words, or we'll get in touch with you. There is one question in the pool option, which you can fill it right now. As I mentioned, during the question answer session will be start at 12 to 12:15. If you need some additional info, you can let us know. We'll supply you via email. And please give your feedback by answering the survey, which we'll be sharing with you after the webinar gets over. So I thank you all and welcome you all once again. Now I'd like to hand over my this session to our main presenters, Mr. Mohsin Khan Pathan.
Thank you, Dharmendra, for the informations. I welcome everyone. Very good morning to ladies and gentlemen. I am Mohsin Khan, working as an application specialist in Cadmatic and having 12 years of experience in nuclear industry as well as in Cadmatic software. So, Cadmatic welcome you all for today's webinar about distributed work from different locations. First of all, I would like to brief about Cadmatic as a company. Cadmatic was founded in early 1980s and have more than 35 years of experience with high level of customer satisfaction. And we are one of a leading developer of digital and intelligent 3D based design, engineering and information management for the marine, plant and construction industry. Here, if you notice, we have three main business verticals, and we have around 6,000 customers in 60 countries all over the globe. If I talk about our first vertical, which is known as process and industry, where we provide the best solution for plant customers, and we really have a strong presence in Indian process and nuclear industries. Then in marine, we have a very strong presence in global marine market, and we are proud to say our Cadmatic is used by most of the globally known shipyards. And in the construction business, we offer a wide range of building electrical design, HVAC design, including building automation design, volume and energy calculation, and it is one of a powerful modeling tool for architectural and structural design. Cadmatic have its main headquarters located in Finland and in Netherlands. And apart from that, we have 12 more local owned offices in Australia, China, Estonia, Hungary, India, Italy, and other part of the globe. With addition to our local offices, we have our local support partners in other 15 countries across the globe. Cadmatic is a dynamic and future-oriented company, and we are growing day by day. We love challenges, and we make things come true. As we know, for the whole project lifecycle, many documents are there, and various consultants and subcontractors comes into picture. So starting from the mother document, which is known as PNID, which is a base for any of a project, we can prepare the concept design and feed in our Cadmatic PNID. And Cadmatic PNID is getting integrated to our detailed design, where Cadmatic plant 3D modeler comes into picture, where we can able to track the progress of project by linking of planning tool, and we can able to take the deliverables out for construction. Then we can hand over the plant to the owner and operator. Thereafter, our tool eShare is used for maintenance, management, inspection, where you can manage your project operation under one roof. Thereafter, if you want our project to expand or modernize, we have a tool called Laser Scan Modeler, where we can import the scan model and complete the revamp projects. So in this way, we have Cadmatic PNID for basic design, Cadmatic 3D plant modeler for detailed design, and eShare for information management for overall project life cycle. When we talk about our information management family, we have a basic review tool known as eBrowser, where we can able to review 3D model, and in eShare we can able to see our data document of all the projects under one roof, along with the reviewing and communication between the design office and the site. To review the model on the fly and mark comments by saying actual, like when you are at site, so we have eGo, which we can use on a tab. So this can be useful when you are at a site. And for a manager, for a senior position, if a manager wants to review the progress of a project, so they have a follow-up tool where they can manage and review the progress of a project. And in the world of virtual reality, we can see our 3D model in the real time by using our product known as HoloLens. Cadmatic is very easy to use and operate, and is very user-friendly tool, which ultimately reduces the startup time for the new project on Cadmatic. In Cadmatic, we can able to generate all kind of report as per company standard by doing easy administration, which increases the efficiency. So here are our some global customer examples and references and some case studies. First of all, references from our Indian region. From the western part of India, we have main client as NPCIL, Shroff, BRC, Arya Industry, Excel Consultant, Kempro. And from northern part of India, we have SSP, Zeppelin, Takvish. From eastern part of India, we have Microdata and Vishwa. And from the south part of India, we have L&T Shipbuilding, SETS, Protech Engineers, and many more. Now we will see a global plant references in our list. We have Wärtsilä, Yara, Saudi Aramco, Pori, Larsen & Toubro, Topaz, ABB, and we have a business in marine. So we have a major marine references also, which is very well known as Daman Shipyard, Mayer, Jurong, Tunishi, Dubai Dry Docks, Wärtsilä, So these are our marine references. Now we will see some of our case studies. Yara is one of a Finnish owner and operator in chemical industry and agricultural products. They have 7 different design offices which are connected by using our Cadmatic Code Designer, for which we are having a presentation taken care by Mr. Subramaniam. So you can see how our Cadmatic Code Designer works. Next one is Metsa Board. Metsa Board is one of a leading European producer of premium fresh paper board. They are using Cadmatic design and engineering data management in their paper and pulp mills. Pori is one of a known consultant having multiple business in various sectors, and Cadmatic has been used for their world biggest paper and pulp mills. Next one is FCG Finnish Consulting Group. Is one of Finland's largest EPC and consulting company. Cadmatic 3D plant is used for their world biggest water treatment plant, and we can easily able to import the IFC data in our model. SCS Sweden is well known for their global hygiene and personal care products, and whole Cadmatic product portfolio has been implemented in their design. H&D Engineering Consultant from Czech Republic, along with Doosan as a main contractor for the vast solar, and Cadmatic has been used for their design of steam turbine packages in their solar projects. Eni Italy is a top 150 company listed in Fortune 500. And they are the biggest oil and gas player operating in 71 countries with a large workforce. Cadmatic has been successfully implemented eShare and eGo to access digital information from any part of the design office or a construction site, and it has improved the communication between the designer and other disciplines such as production and procurement. The next one we have is Dubai Drydocks, the largest supplier for offshore platforms in Gulf countries, and they are using our Cadmatic since 2015. The next from India we have Nuclear Power Corporation of India, known as NPCIL. They are an owners and operator. They are using our Cadmatic since 2013 for their nuclear power project known as Kakrapar Atomic Power Project, having a capacity of 700 megawatts in Surat. And now they are working on Cadmatic for their new project known as GHVP, and it's one of the biggest and most complex Cadmatic model. Next one is Semcorp is one of a turnkey solution provider in oil and gas, offshore marine and energy. Cadmatic has been used by them and it has increased efficiency by using our product. Sadri is one of a famous ship and offshore design company, and it's a part of a China State Shipbuilding Corporation. And Cadmatic has been used for basic and detailed design for their projects. Hereby, I am concluding my part of presentation. Thank you everyone for your kind attention and time. This was a brief of our company Cadmatic. And now I am handing over to my colleague, Mr. Subramaniam, to continue with the technical presentation. Thank you all.
Mohsin, for giving such a nice introduction of our company Cadmatic and sharing various information about our clients. And I am Subramaniam, having overall experience, 13 years of experience, including oil and gas, power sectors. So today's webinar is all about Cadmatic Code Designer. So before starting the session, so I will like to tell you about the highlighting features of Cadmatic, which makes many company owners and employers to go for Cadmatic. So why Cadmatic? Cadmatic is a user-friendly software and it is very easy to learn. And it has inbuilt database and CAD engine, so that additional investment on third-party softwares and databases are not required. And Cadmatic has extensive libraries of standards and components, such as ASME, DIN, Jacobs, Alpha Level, Econosto, etc. Cadmatic lightweight technology offers very less model file sizes. And Cadmatic is very cost effective. Yeah, thank you, Dharmendra. And Cadmatic is very cost effective. And for globally distributed design, Cadmatic is having a solution called Co-Designer, which is included in the basic package of Cadmatic with no additional cost. And the sister project management tool of Cadmatic is used to save man-hours while working simultaneously in similar kind of projects. And Cadmatic is having a solution for transferring the information from third-party systems like ERP, PLM, PDM to Cadmatic using Cadmatic Web API. So these are the key factors and features which are liked by many of the owners and employers who are our current customers. So now we'll see about Cadmatic Co-Designer. So what is Cadmatic Co-Designer? A simple solution from Cadmatic for distributing the design globally. And it is the most advanced technology in the world to distribute design work to the most efficient locations using a smart database-centric method. And it enables remote work sharing on global and local level also. It is extremely robust, yet it is a resource-friendly project distribution system. Now we'll see the highlighting features of Co-Designer. It is very reliable and easy to operate, and various teams can work together anywhere in the world for 24/7. And it allows the users to focus more on design work rather than various administration tasks, as these administration tasks will be taken care by the team which is at main site. And simplicity and integrity, that is storing whole project and its documents in central database. It enables users to work simultaneously on the same project irrespective of their locations. The master site and other sites can be updated online using internet or manually by exchanging a file by email attachments. So you can refer this image, the updates between master and other sites, how it is happening. So this advanced concept called distributed design has become reality with the help of Cadmatic, even for smaller companies also with limited resources, irrespective of their locations. Access to internet is sufficient to implement this advanced concept of Cadmatic distributed system and connecting your company efficiently to worldwide engineering and design networks. So now we'll see how the Co-Designer works. First of all, a globally distributed project consists of 2 or more sites, that is offices. But the project is actually managed at one site called main or master site. And the main site is the first site of the project, which is implicitly created during the process of project creation. And other sites, for example, subsidiary offices, subcontractors, etc., are called satellite sites, and they are connected to main site or to other satellite sites. A source file will be generated from main site or master site using online or offline mode as per the requirement. You can see the image of generating the source file from master. So the transfer of updates between master and replica is decided at initial level of project itself while creating a source file from the master. So these servers provide database and file replication services to Cadmatic application. And with this source file, cost server is installed at each site. And so these enables database and file replication services to Cadmatic applications. And these sites exchange data between master in one of the two ways called online mode, that is by direct communication with master, or offline mode by manual file transfer by email. So now we'll see the schematic arrangement of distributed project, how the distributed project looks like. The network of various offices can be seen in the image. You can see a main office called master site, and other sites called subsidiary office and subcontractor are connected to the main site. In the image, you can see that. Also, we can see some users outside office are connected to main site. So you can refer the representation which is given in the right side of the slide. And some users outside office are connected to other sites like subsidiary office and subcontractors also. So here, even these users will also behave as a separate site. Yeah, and as you see in the figure with some representation, the exchange of data is happening in online mode between master and other sites like subsidiary office and subcontractors. Also, few users outside the office are exchanging data in offline mode and few in online mode, as shown in the figure with some representations. So this gives a complete picture for a distributed project using Cadmatic CodeDesigner. And this is again one of the example of a distributed project where you can see main site and replica connected to it. And apart from these, we can make replica of connected replicas also. So this kind of complex arrangements are made simple using Cadmatic CodeDesigner. Yeah, so now we'll see how the protection of data, shared data, is happening. That is how your shared project data is being protected in Cadmatic CodeDesigner. So in this image, you can see the complete model, that is master site with area A and area B. So now the owner wants to give only area A to contractor A and only area B to another contractor B. So in this case, in Cadmatic CodeDesigner, only required areas can be replicated and given to corresponding contractors using filtered replication. That is, only area A is replicated and given to contractor A, and area B is replicated and given to contractor B. So there is no need to give the complete model to both contractors. So like this, we can protect your valuable shared data. Also, in Cadmatic CodeDesigner, owner can give the expiration date for the files given to contractors, so that after the expiration date, those files can't be opened by the contractors. Also, owners, as per their IPR, they can mask the sensitive information or some parts of the project. So by these different ways, your valuable project information is protected in Cadmatic CodeDesigner. So now we'll see about the replication in online mode and in offline mode. So first we'll see online mode. So as we see in the above slides, online mode requires direct network connection. So here the replica server periodically contacts its master server based on the update frequency, which will be given in the update settings of replica server. So it sends the updates to master as well as it receives the update from master and other servers connected to the master. So you can see the image of the update settings at replica server. So here you can see the address of master is given, that is name of the master server along with its port number, and even the address of replica is also given. Again, that is the name of replica server along with its port number. Also, you can see the update frequency, which can be given as required. So by default, it is 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So this is the update settings window at replica server by online mode. So now we'll see how the replication is happening and other settings in offline mode. So here in offline mode, the updates will happen by sending the update packets manually. That is, offline site is updated by transferring update files from satellite site to parent and from parent to satellite site. That is, the flow is like this. First, the update file will be sent from satellite to parent, so that parent is getting the updates from the satellite. The moment parent site receives the update from the satellite site, a new update file will be generated immediately by the parent site. So this update file from the parent is loaded at satellite site for getting the updates from parent. Like this, this information is exchanged in offline mode. So you can see the images. The update window at replica site is at left, where you can see the send update and receive update buttons. And the update window at master site is at right. So there you can see the button of receive update from replica. So using these, we can exchange the updates between master and replica. Yes. So now finally we'll see the closing of the replica server. How we will close the replica server. After completing all the work at satellite site and after ensuring that the satellite site itself not having any satellites, then the site should be closed. You can see the attached image of closing project at replica site. And in the master site, we can see the intimation as replica is closed. So you will get an intimation in master site also, which you can see in the image. Yes. So now as a glimpses, we will see the key facts of Cadmatic CodeDesigner. Here it is very easy to add various teams to project irrespective of their location in the world. We can use resource friendly optimized replication, that is filtered replication, to avoid the sending of whole database. We are having the possibility to use in offline mode when there is no online connection. Even there is a possibility to enforce IPR, that is restricted access can be given by masking sensitive information or various parts in the project. The best part here is you are getting the Cadmatic CodeDesigner in basic package of Cadmatic with no additional cost. So these are the key facts of CodeDesigner. So now we'll see how the Cadmatic CodeDesigner helps during this COVID-19 pandemic. So this COVID-19 pandemic didn't affect our customers' project activities as they are working from home using our Cadmatic CodeDesigner with the concept of distributed project. Our various clients running a very complex projects are safely continuing their project activities at home without any hindrance during this pandemic, and they are successfully running their show. All you need is a normal laptop or a desktop having a basic configuration. So using this, you can take a remote of your office computers using the remote desktop connection and continue your work in Cadmatic safely from home. Even during this pandemic, we are continuously providing required Cadmatic technical support, project assistance, and handholding to our clients and making them to feel empowered. Yeah. So now I will show you our various customers who are using Cadmatic CodeDesigner. Already my colleague Mohsin has already shown you about our various clients in one of his slides. So among them, I will show you our customers who are using Cadmatic CodeDesigner. So here, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, TCE, Schroff and Arya Consultants, RNM Marine, Shenshin Technologies, Bluetech, Syed, Oceanco, Konoship International, Nevsky, Petrobal, Meyer Turku, Diamond Shipyards, etc. So now finally we'll see a video of Cadmatic CodeDesigner, which gives you a realistic picture of how it works. So maybe if any disturbance is there in the voice, so we will separately send you the link be after this webinar, or you can visit our site www.cadmatic.com and you can get this video.
Cadmatic software has been designed for optimized globally distributed design and is the best of its kind on the market today. The Cadmatic distributed design system is reliable and easy to operate and allows the users to focus on design work instead of laborious administration tasks. The Cadmatic system's core strengths are its simplicity and data integrity. All project 3D models and documents are stored in databases hosted by a central database server. Server replication, re-replication, and adding new design teams have been reduced to a few mouse clicks. The data is updated via an online network such as the internet, or by simply exchanging the file as an email attachment. With the Cadmatic system, distributed design has become a reality even for engineering companies with limited resources. No matter where your office is in the world, if you have access to the internet, you can implement the Cadmatic distributed design system, connecting your company efficiently to worldwide engineering and design networks.
Yeah. So if you have any problem in voice, so we will be sending this video separately after this webinar. Yes, hope you enjoyed this webinar session about Cadmatic CodeDesigner. So thank you all for your valuable time and patience.